to edit these parts and make grass appear on it? In the first lesson of this section, I teached you how to add a boundary on an organic face and apply materials to it. So we will use Drape tool again from Sandbox toolbar, and we will see how to specify the parts that we want to appear the grass on it. We want the grass appear on this part, so draw a rectangle above it. We may enlarge this area with Scale tool. Then this part, from this point we will draw another rectangle, approximate, where will be grass on this place. After we made these rectangles, we will start learning an important point, which is that we hide all the model when we come to modify a specific object or part. How can we do this? From Window menu, choose Model Info. After that, from Components, the third item in this list, there is an option to fade rest of model while we are editing, or hide the rest of model, complete hide. So we will check on it. This means that once we open any group or component to edit, the rest of model will be completely hidden. Close this window. Then select these rectangles and choose the Drape tool. Then click on this group to drop onto this organic surface. So the software makes them drop onto this surface. So we will open this component or this group. We will find the rectangle have been applied. These surfaces are isolated from the rest of the main surface. So pick grass material and apply to these surfaces. Then exit and delete these rectangles. After that, we will move to Enscape. Something like this is okay for us in this project render, but don't find it appear on front of this door or these parts here.